guys, I dropped it. Hold on. Great start, huh? Okay, so today I thought I should do this video because my mom went to Dirt Cheap and she got some like 90% off stuff. I was like, bet, you know, it's Halloween. I'm pretty sure nobody's gonna like my little drug whatever because that one was weird. So my mom got me this thing where I could be an old lady. I'm nervous. Very nervous. I don't know what to expect. I have no idea. It came with this like facial adhesive stuff, which I've never used in my life. I'm scared. And it came with a little facial palette, real cheap. And then it came with like this weird applicator thing. It's weird. I'm nervous as crap. I need to get me a mirror before I do anything because I can't really look at my phone all the time. I just feel like it would be weird if I did. Okay. I got my mirror and I'm ready to freaking go. I'm like, bro, I got this. I'm ready. I'm really nervous though. Super nervous. I think I should put my hair up. That way, like, none of it really gets into the latex. Beep. Oh yes, boo. Oh yes, okay. So let's go ahead and do this because I'm nervous as crap. And I don't have on any glasses, so I'm like, bruh. Oh no. This feels like a terrible idea. Oh god. Okay. Where's my mirror? Oh no. There's no way I can hold this mirror and do this at the same time. I can't. I'm thinking about just putting latex on the actual nose and seeing how that works. I'm trying to be kind of quick because I don't really know how long it takes this stuff to dry. I have like no idea. And then I don't have many minutes to do this. I have no idea if I'm doing it right. Oh no. Oh my god, kill it. Oh no, I need more. Okay, this stuff sticks like glue. Like my freaking face is going to be glued like this forever. At least I can breathe. Yeah, that's another thing. It already has like nostril holes, which is amazing. It's cutting really close to my eyes. I'm kind of scared. Yeah, this stuff is like glue. It's not really gonna come off. I don't think it will. And then of course, I think you have to smooth out edges. Like I've seen videos of people doing this. Oh no. This is a dumb idea, isn't it? Oh god. I'll be back in just a second. Hi everyone. So I tried so hard. Let me just tell you all about it. I tried so hard. I even put my hair in a bun. It was like a little pencil there. Just made it look nice. And the nose took me forever. I think that was like the main problem that I had. And of course these are my glasses. I just put them on. No big deal. But looking at it, you can tell I messed up here. But it's not like crazy terrible. It's Halloween. Get used to it. And like this side's pretty cool. I like this side. Looks nice. And then this is like way too much on my eyes. It's like super close to my eye, and I low-key think I should have cut excess stuff off, which is a first priority. But me being far away, filter on, and like this little thing, you couldn't tell a thing. Anyway, it's so cute. I think I did really good. And I have like this fake butt chin, but like low-key I have a real butt chin. And I also made this little basket. Now this little basket I already had in my room, and I just put random stuff in it to be like, hello dearie, would you like some books and beans? No? Okay, well then, no big deal. I have muffins back at my house. So yeah, this is my Halloween, how to look like a grandma look, I guess. Yeah. Oh god. Okay, anyway. I also have this cardigan, which is super cute. So, like, if I guess you want to be like a grandma or whatever for Halloween, or an old person, get you a cardigan. You know, I have on like a really hipster shirt right now, but like, get you something that's like high, whatever, so that way you can just kind of like hide your shirt. Hello, dearie. It's cute. Anyway, but I've been having this cardigan since like 13, so yes. Anyway, but I think I did a really good job. Hello, dearie. And then I was like, bruh, I should have just painted it like green and like a witch. My boyfriend said, why? What happened? So I told him he'd either like this video or he'd hate it or thought it was funny. Because it's weird. I look super weird. But like myself. Yay! I guess I did it. And I have so much makeup on my face, it's not even funny. I made myself orange face to match with my nose, because I also put concealer and stuff on my nose. It took forever. But, low-key, it's not that. I don't hate it. Yeah, I don't hate it. I think it looks nice. I did not blend out my neck, it's okay. But I think I did a really good job, like with the wrinkles and like the up here is like... I look so mean. That's perfect. If I can frown, it's perfect. I look mean. Oh my god, kill it. Okay. So that's the end of this video. I will let you go. I don't want to take it off though. Ow. Okay. Ow. Oh god. Ugh. That's basically all it was. It's just a piece of fake. It's all glue. It's killing me. Okay, and then of course you have like these little nostrils at the bottom. Insane. And this stuff is so sticky, it's not even funny. Okay, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna get this off my face. I'll see you guys on the flip side. Bye.